Today in this video, students, I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter, His First Flight. He means young seagull, stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge. When the parents of young seagull and older and younger brother of the young seagull did not come to the young seagull, so he came at the edge of the rock where he was living, and standing on one leg with other leg hidden under his wing. And what was the young seagull doing? Standing on the edge of the rock, first he stood on one leg, and thereafter he stood on another leg that was hidden in his wings. He closed one eye, then other eye, and he was watching towards the parents and the brother and sister, and pretended to be falling asleep. The young seagull was showing to his younger brother and sister and to the parents that he was not hungry. He was pretending to his parents that he was sleeping, because the birds or young seagull sleep only in this way. Still they took no notice of him, and the parents of young seagull and even the brother and sister of the young seagull, they were ignoring the young seagull. They were not looking at him at all. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. And the young seagull noticed that his two brothers and his sisters, they had finished their food, and now they were lying on the rock. Plateau means rock, and they were dozing. Dozing means they were taking light sleep by putting their heads into their necks, because the birds always sleep when they put their neck into their head into their neck. This way the birds sleep. And same way, after finishing the fish, the brother and sister of the young seagull, they were sleeping. His father was preening the feathers. Preening means cleaning, maintaining. His father, what was his father doing? His father was maintaining his feathers. Feathers means wings, on his white back. It means the father was white in color and he was maintaining his wings. Only his mother was looking at him. Only mother was looking at the young seagull. She was standing on the little high hump on the plateau. Where the mother was? The mother was standing on a hump on the plateau. Hump means a portion that is raised in the rock. On that portion she was standing, and her white breast thrust forward, and the stomach of the breast of the mother was touching to the rock. Now and again she tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet, and then scraped each of her beak on the rock. What was mother doing? The mother had caught a fish. She had put that fish between her legs, and she used to tore that fish with her beak, and thereafter she rubbed her beak on the rock. Why she was rubbing her beak on the rock? Because she was sharpening her beak by rubbing on the rock. The sight of food maddened him. The young seagull, already I have told you, he had not eaten anything for 24 hours. When he saw his mother eating the fish, he could not control his hunger, and he became mad with hunger. How he loved to tear food that way, scraping his beak and now and again to wet it. When the young seagull saw his mother tearing the piece of fish, and after that rubbing her beak on the rock again to sharpen it, these activities of his mother, that prompted the young seagull, and he could not control his hunger.